potential was so much more, and they pursued that. And today we have thousands of women across the country, literally thousands, who are doing 10 kilometers and above, even 21 kilometers. And very important announcement to make. In this 5th edition of India's biggest women's run in Mumbai, we have a new partner. A very exciting, let me tell you, a very exciting new partner. The partner is Colours. So the 5th Mumbai Pinkathon will be known as the Colours Mumbai Pinkathon. It's very exciting because I don't know of any other community run like this that has partnered with a major GEC, and the kind of things that are possible with this to spread the message that we so firmly believe in are immense. So I'd like right at the beginning to thank Colours for coming on. Thank you so much. I'd just like to give you a bit of background, but before that, I will felicitate and thank Jeremy and Tarini of Cafe Zoe. Are they here? Thank you so much for hosting us, believing us, being a part of this. Jeremy, are you here? Where? You're hiding. Is Tarini here? Maybe she'll take it. She's sleeping. She's gone. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Jeremy. Thank you, Tarini. Thank you, Cafe Zoe. Thank you so much. I mean, everybody we spoke, they said, why are you doing a women's run? Women are not interested, you know, women have no time to exercise, to take care of their health. Women are too busy looking after their kids, their families, their jobs. And we thought that, you know, this is precisely the reason. We need to change this mindset. Let's create a space and see what happens. And it was really, really amazing to see even those 2,000 women who came out in the first Pinkathon in Mumbai. It was wonderful to see them. In that first edition, we had 230 women who participated in the 10-kilometer distance. So we have 4 distances, 3 kilometers, 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers and 21 kilometers. In the first edition, we had 230 women who ran the 10-kilometer distance. By the time we did the 3rd edition, we had 2,000 women who ran the 10K. It just showed us, and it really reaffirmed our belief that to just present an opportunity can open people's minds. So women who first said that, no, I can't even do 100 meters. I've never run 100 meters in my life. 1 kilometer is a lot. Those women participated in the 3 and 5K, and after they did that, the first step, they took that first step, they realized that it was possible to do so much more. Their potential was so much more. And they pursued that. And today, we have thousands of women across the country, literally thousands, who are doing 10 kilometers and above, even 21 kilometers. And not only that, I'll tell you, right at the outset again, we started these city-to-city runs. Before each Pinkathon, we started, Anusha, we started these cities, so whichever city the Pinkathon is in, we would run from another city to that one to promote the philosophy behind the whole movement. To just explore whatever your potential is, see what you can do, make yourself a better person with a few minutes every day. And we had a lot of ambassadors. You see this t-shirt I'm wearing, it says Pinkathon Ambassador. We have now about 400 ambassadors across the country, very passionate people spreading awareness about the value of physical exercise and me time for women in pursuit of better health. And this year, before the Pune Pinkathon, we had 3 ambassadors, all in their mid-40s. I'm sorry, I shouldn't say that, but they are. Mid-40s, they started running with the Pinkathon just a couple of years ago. They've got grown-up kids, teenagers, they have jobs. They ran 160 kilometers from Bombay to Pune in 3 days.
तो
पिंकथॉन के बारे में बोलो।
पिंकथॉन में 2012 में अनुषा ने भी भाग लिया था। उन्होंने 10 किलोमीटर की दौड़ की थी, बहुत अच्छी तरह से की थी,
बहुत अच्छी
तरह से। और मैं कहना चाहूँगा तब से और आज तक इस साल मुंबई में 5वीं बार हम पिंकथॉन करने जा रहे हैं। कम से कम 11,000 महिलाएं दौड़ेंगी अक्रॉस 3 किलोमीटर, 5 किलोमीटर, 10 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस। बहुत बदलाव ला चुका है पिंकथॉन। पहले औरतें कहती थी कि नहीं, हम 100 किलोमीटर भी नहीं कर सकती हूँ, 200 मीटर भी नहीं दौड़ सकती हूँ। अभी 10 किलोमीटर और 21 किलोमीटर एकदम बहुत ही सहज तरीके से औरतें दौड़ रही हैं। सो एंड अक्रॉस द कंट्री, नॉट जस्ट इन मुंबई, लेकिन पिंकथॉन 8 शहरों में आज हम करते हैं। 8 शहरों में पिछले साल कम से कम 75,000 महिलाएं दौड़ी। सो वी वेरी वेरी हैप्पी विद द ग्रोथ एंड द प्रोग्रेस ऑफ द इवेंट। It's amazing.
You know what? First of all, सब लड़कियों आते हैं यहाँ पे क्योंकि मिलन सोमन है. Okay, that's the inspiration. उसके बाद सब दूसरे inspirations आते हैं. So obviously breast cancer is very, very important to me. I think women should be aware. I think they should be aware of their bodies. Forget just breast cancer. They should be aware of their bodies. Regular checkups karna chahiye. And I think, so Milind has started a really good initiative for that. And I'm just really happy to be a part of it. I'm very, very happy because I think women today in our country should know a lot more than they do. Of course, 100%.
I think it's increasing every day. Pinkathon is actually just a small step. The media is doing such a lot of work. आजकल लोग इंटरनेट पे देखते हैं, इतना अवेयरनेस बढ़ रहा है, सिर्फ शहरों में नहीं, लेकिन धीरे धीरे छोटे छोटे शहरों में, विलेजेस में भी जा रहा है. What is the importance of healthy lifestyle, active lifestyle, exercise? बहुत अवेयरनेस हो रहा है.
And I think fitness has become cool. I think वो बहुत cool है, hip है.
मतलब हमारे देश में हमारा ट्रेडिशन नहीं है, कल्चर नहीं है स्पोर्ट्स का, एक्सरसाइज का पहले से. सो वी आर अ लिटिल बैकवर्ड इन दैट रिस्पेक्ट. लेकिन आज क्या हुआ है, हर स्कूल, हर कॉलेज, हर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, हर रोटरी क्लब, सबको रनिंग इवेंट्स करने हैं, बिकॉज दे कैन सी दैट पीपल आर रियली एंजॉइंग दिस काइंड ऑफ इवेंट्स. दे वांट टू पार्टिसिपेट इन दिस इवेंट्स एंड पीपल अंडरस्टैंड द वैल्यू. इसकी वैल्यू क्या है हमारी ज़िंदगी में, वो लोग समझने लगे हैं.
I think also people should understand that fitness is a release. There's a lot of stress, work में, school में, education, everything gives you a lot. Relationships में, I think there's a lot of stress, and I think fitness एक ऐसा release है. So I think it gives you a lot of happiness to be fit.
Is there also Bollywood celebrities also joining this initiative on 18?
Well, they're not joining this event, but they're doing a lot of work on their own in different fields to spread awareness about fitness.
Will you approach any star in future?
We don't need to. To us, the stars are the women who participate. ये event इतना बड़ा हो चुका है because women have understood कि हमें इसमें भाग लेना है. Women have come together. और हम actually किसी celebrity या star को नहीं लाना चाहते because उसमें distraction होता है.
I think celebrities आते हैं on their own to participate.
करते हैं.
वो अच्छा है. हाँ.
इस इवेंट में जैसे अनुषा दौड़ी है, तारा शर्मा दौड़ी है, लीसा हेडन दौड़ी है, गुल पनाग दौड़ी है. हम उनको सेलिब्रिटीज़ नहीं मानते, हम उनको इंस्पिरेशनल इंडिविजुअल्स मानते हैं who already believe health and fitness is important and they are just inspiring thousands of people around them.
From the industry, what do you think has the best, like the fittest body?
Milind Soman.
Anusha Dandekar.
Apart from both of
No, but really, I mean, he's looked like this for I don't even know how long. He just doesn't.
Since you were a kid.
Since I was a kid. But I'm just saying that he doesn't. I just don't understand. You know, he's one of those people that wakes up like this. It's irritating.
And goes to sleep like this.
And goes to sleep like this also. No, but
there are a lot of celebrities today, a lot of actors. अगर आप देखते हैं 80s में इतना अवेयरनेस नहीं था, बिल्कुल नहीं था. But today every actor, every celebrity, every famous person अगर अपना चेहरा पब्लिक में दिखाना चाहता है, they have to be fit. They have to exercise. They have to show a glow on their face and a fit body.
I think besides Milind, Karan Kundra has a very hot body.
कौन है ये?
About collaboration with Colors, I have to ask both of you that will you ever participate on Big Boss?
Never. I love you, Raj Naik, and I love Big Boss. It's very entertaining, but मैं नहीं कर सकती हूँ क्योंकि I will go mad, and if we were there, we'd probably end up killing each other.
But I think therefore it's quite a great test of mental fitness.
नहीं मुझे mental fitness नहीं चाहिए. I'd rather physical fitness.
पागल हो जाते हैं जो उन्होंने actually अपने life में किया नहीं वो करने लगते हैं. And to be really able to understand yourself, to center yourself, to go through that experience is very, very important.
But actually, Milind कुछ
I may never
करेगा
participate,
नहीं. No.
but I think it's a good exercise.
I think if Milind was
Mental exercise.
Yeah.
I don't have that many days to spend in a house.
Oh please, 1 second. If Milind was participating, do you know what he would do? He'd be on the treadmill all day.
There's a treadmill in the house?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Maybe I'll think about it.
guys watching this season?
Are you
rooting for anyone?
My friend, one of my friends is in it, Rahul Dev. And
He's a cool guy.
He's a cool guy. He's a very shy person, doesn't talk a lot, but he's still there. So I guess the public likes him.
Yeah. So yeah. Thank you.